What's going on, guys? I just want to talk to you guys about tools, what I have in my arsenal, things like that. I see a lot of people doing homesteads, so I just thought I'd make a quick video about the things that I have, things like that. So without further ado, let's get into it. First thing that I have, actually in my hand, fishing poles. Guys, if you guys are by bodies of water, even if you're not a fisherman, things like that, highly recommend fishing poles. For whatever reason, like we have the egg problem right now, wild game may catch a disease or whatever, so it's best to have, you know, fishing poles. And I also have a tackle box too to show you guys. So yeah. Next on my list, guys, is a Pioneer kit. I have 4 of them right here to show you guys. I have an axe, a pickaxe, a shovel, and also bolt cutters. Yeah, guys, pretty much self-explanatory. Use that for wood. If you got to get out of a ditch, highly recommend the pickaxe. And if you got to go bury something, dig something up, shovel. Guys, this is actually my second pair of bolt cutters. The first one I have is for like chain link fences, you know, noise discipline, guys. Gotta remember that, noise discipline. These ones are actually used for like storages and, you know, the big hefty locks. This is a 36 incher and it does hold, you know, a lot of weight to it. That's why I like it. But yeah, guys, like I said, stealth is key. So next on my list, guys, I want to talk to you guys about is a machete. If you guys are planning out on going out to the woods, things like that, highly recommend the machete. This is what we use in Jamaica, actually. Yeah, guys, being in Jurassic Park, as the tourists call it, call Florida, highly recommend the machete. This is, like I said, this one we use in Jamaica. So, and then the last thing on my list I want to talk to you guys about is a BB gun. Guys, you know, North America is very plentiful when it comes to rabbits, you know, squirrels, you know, small rodents, things like that. So I highly recommend it. I'm not gonna say go out and go, you know, start hunting rodents, things like, even birds, guys. If you guys wanna go shoot some birds, you know, oh man, I'm out of, you know, like I said, I'm out of fuel, I'm out of food, I have nothing to barter, nothing to trade, what am I gonna do? You know, inexpensive, things like that. So, and also too, guys, if you want your child to get into shooting, you know, they're kind of timid, they're a little scared, highly recommend this. Get them into it, guys. Because once you start shooting, you get a child into something that they're curious about, more likely they're gonna continue to do it. But yeah, guys, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Like I always say, be vigilant, be blessed, stay out of trouble. Catch you guys on the next one, all right?